Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I am a classically trained pastry chef, and today I'll be demonstrating how to make spiced pear compote. This compote is simple to make and great to have on hand for a variety of dishes. Spoon it over pancakes, cakes, yogurt. It's even great on savory dishes such as pork chops. In this saucepan, I have 5 medium pears which have been peeled, cored, and cut into 1/4 inch slices. To this, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. Toss these together so the ingredients are all well distributed. Place the saucepan over medium heat, bringing it to a low boil, stirring constantly. Now that my mixture is boiling, I'm going to turn the heat down to low and let it simmer for about 35 to 40 minutes, coming back to stir it every 4 or 5 minutes. When finished, the pears will be soft and covered in a thick syrup. The pears have been simmering for 40 minutes. They're now softened and covered in a spiced glaze. Remove it from the heat now. Spoon the compote into heat-proof containers and let it cool down to room temperature. Once cooled, store it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. You may store it for up to 4 days in the fridge or freeze it for up to 2 months. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.